The package looks really high-end. Let's open it. I feel that right now I am opening something special. Oh my god. Wow. Color. Wow, the color is so beautiful. And the design is lovely. Look at these details. Wow. Okay, it comes with USB cable, a manual, and as you remember, yeah, one starter tape, battery, perfect, which is all that's needed. I'm so excited to try it. Here's the app. I have already my label. There are a lot of different features here. You can reposition frame, you can add different ornaments. Okay, I think it's ready. Print. To do. And what I'm going to do. And the last one is going to. Thank you guys for your attention. I'm so happy with these big icons, with this retro design machine, and also it's ink free, which is perfect for me. And I think my jars look beautiful. Thank you.